Okay, and so I thought I'd make a little test here how good this dishwasher really am. So I have some real dirty dishes here. You can see it's all very not so clean. Here I have well, you can see yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's gonna happen here. And we need some this shit here. Let's see if I can open this with one hand here. I'm pretty sure I can, but come on. Oops, there we go. And nothing is in its way here. That's good. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, I think that's it. Well, that's it. Yeah, so now we just have to wait and see until it's done. I'll be back. Okay, so let's have a look. It's done. Off. Oops. It's getting a little foggy. It's very hot in here. Let's see if these things are clean. I hope so. I made the dishes a little bit more dirty and yucky than I used to, just to do this little check here. Wow, that plate is pretty clean. Remember that one was all dirty? Oh, it's goddammit hot. What more do we have? Seems to be clean. Seems to be clean. Let's see here. Oh, that one is clean. Very clean. Ow. Yeah. It's just as clean as it can be. So what about the plates behind here? They are all clean. Oh, fucking hot. Yeah, look at that, huh? That's great. Great stuff. The cheese cutter here is also clean. Just as good as new. Well, it seems like this machine works just perfect. That's what I wanted to know.